All right, Kelly, here goes my attempt to show you how to get into Canvas and to get to your module so that you can get started. All right, so I'm just looking at a web page. I just have MSN up here, sifting through stuff, and I'm going to switch to Western's homepage. That's westernwyoming.edu. And then once in the Western homepage, under the My WWC tab, drop down and choose My Western. And this is where you log in with the credentials that you, I think you have them written down in your notebook. So it's your first and last name. For me, it's just my first initial and my last name. But for you, it should be your first and last name at westernwyoming.edu. And then the password that you have. All right, now you're in our college, like our student and staff interface. All right, from here, you click on the Canvas circle, and that takes us to our learning management system called Canvas, and it's where all your classes are housed, even your face-to-face classes if you have one. All right, so we're going to go into Excel 1530. And it looks a little bit different because I am the teacher. I'll change it to student view so it looks a little more like what you'll see. And where we're headed here, I did mention that everything runs through modules. So on the left-hand side, hit modules. And then the Start Here modules, I do want you to look through. Please do that. And there's a couple of tasks in there like putting your picture in your profile. Please do that. Getting Started is completed because that was just meeting me. Now here's module 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in module 1, you click on the module name and the module 1.1 directions. I think I gave them to you, so I think you're okay with that. But when you finish with module 1, you come back here to submit the files, and then you bring your printouts to the lab attached to the document, the sheet, the module 1 sheet. The module 1 sheet looks like this. You probably recognize it with the checklist at the beginning. And this is just extra information from me. As you're going through the module, I have a few other things to say. In a nutshell, though, you start at the beginning of the module and you work through the steps. Okay, so I was rereading your email to make sure I've answered your question. I hope I have. It was such a weird night since we did not have the internet when you were there. Such a strange way to begin. So I hope this helps.